our last episode, we met again the very charming Giancarlo. Clearly, this is not him. My only excuse is that loveliness in the beautiful Patrizia here shows up way better than charm on video. Sorry, Giancarlo. We were all on his Lagoon 44. There was lots of dancing and merrymaking. Cheers! 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 I even made my famous smoked fish, people. I even had a couple of shandies that were loaded.
Well, very good, people.
Oh, baby, were they loaded. In fact, wherever I was, there was dancing. Must be my trapped dancer from within, people.
Start dancing!
Oh, baby.
I met Mozart's father's namesake.
Don Giovanni.
And we all had a wonderful time. But the next day...
I got a bit of a hangover.
Just a bit.
Thanks to these boys. Partying is such sweet sorrow. I only got to see them for a couple of days, but they're now going.
We're going.
Au revoir. We shall meet again. Possibly.
We would definitely.
Possibly. If I ever go to Assisi, I know I'll be well looked after. But I would like to part with Giancarlo leaving in his boat, part with something his mother said last night. It sort of sums up the vlog almost completely, people. So here's Priscilla. Take it away, Priscilla.
Whilst you've been talking, I have been very happily asleep.
That's okay, Priscilla. That's most of my audience.
Yes.
You're welcome, people.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Would you go back and watch my episodes just to get a bit more ZZ land?
I would, yes, yes. A great help.
Well, there you go. There you go,
Your
people.
voice was
Now I know why I've got 110,000 subscribers.
Yes.
The pharmacists, they don't have to prescribe pills. They
No.
just prescribe my channel.
Your voice.
And good night.
Your voice.
Good night.
Good night. Good night,
Good
Priscilla.
night. Good night. A great help you've been. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Carrots, eh?
Nectar of the gods.
Nectar of the gods. What about pineapple?
Carrot.
Carrot. Are you saying that because
There's no
we only
pineapple.
have one carrot left? Is that what you're saying?
I really like carrot too.
Okay. Yeah, it's not my fault, people. I've been on to Friglio, which is Friginellio, for the past week, and he hasn't come through, and I don't know what to do. So, we've got one carrot, we've got a bit of flour, I've got a hangover, the girls have to catch fish, otherwise it's just pasta without anything. Oh no, we've got onion. We have onion, and we have some garlic. But we need supplies, people. Let's get into it, girls. Let's go for a snorkel. The girls have to catch fish. We had one carrot left in the fridge, and now we have no more. It's up to Gigi and Clara. Clara says it's up to Gigi. I don't know what you mean by that, Clara. I have faith. I have faith in Clara. She's a closet sniper that's yet to blossom into a bloom of assassination technique, people. It's coming today, maybe. Kill, 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 destroy. Kill, 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 destroy. Kill, 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 destroy. Unless it's stupid, or it's too big, or I don't feel like shooting at that point in time, and about 58 other reasons, then we'll let it go. But apart from that, we will kill, 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 destroy one fish at least. But in a humane method, people. I don't want you to get the wrong impression with my kill, 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 destroy affirmation. But Gigi liked it.
Just for food.
I think she's a killer, people. Ready, girls?
Ready.
was concerned about the lack of fish, so I left the girls for 10 minutes and went to the rougher side of the reef. My head was pounding still, so I knew I could only go shallow. I would have to cheat. What a piece of luck. Dinner is not a worry anymore. Let's see what the girls are up to. They still have no fish, but that's about to change. Now, I don't want to get people's hopes up because 2 weeks ago there was some discussion about making a bikini out of a similar fish. From what I recall, and my recall is total, people, is that while skinning this fish, Gigi wanted to make another bikini out of the skin. It had a split directly up the middle, but she would not be deterred. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah indeed. On handing Gigi the fish, I could see her exploring what type of bikini could be made from it. I know what you're thinking, people, and you'd be right. Not only has this plucky guy got perfect recall, but he also is really in touch with his feminine side to be able to read female minds like that. You're welcome, people. You're welcome. Gigi is one of a kind. Not only does she put up with my highly intuitive comments about females, which, accuracy-wise could be debatable, but she attacks every task eagerly and always with a big, brilliant smile on her face. There you go, people. She's now got 2 bikinis. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Now we're going to cheat today. What we're going to do, you only need to scale up there and up here.
Wow.
Because we're going to skin it and take off the pieces, okay? Do you need to wash it first before I start sewing? You're welcome. You're welcome.
Did you cut it? It looks like you...
No, it's split. It's split. Did I cut it? It's got a split in the middle, people. It's a special, special bikini. Shut up, Peter.
Do you want shampoo?
It made my hair all frizzy last time. I hate it because it flops. No, I think I'll just do El Natural. And besides, it smells beautiful enough. Yeah. Maybe not, people. Can you see the moon between the trees, people? Let's have a look. It was bright yellow orange before. Just amazing. Look at that. Of course the GoPro doesn't do it any justice. It tries its best. Look at my hair. Oh my goodness. Only a mother could love. Now check out how delicate that flesh is of the filefish. It's so delicate, it's like sole. Okay, Clara, what did we learn spearfishing today?
Spearfishing. I wanted to say how to prepare the fish.
Oh, that's steamed, right? It's sort of
yeah, now it's
poached.
steamed, like you said.
Yeah. So what did we learn spearfishing today, do you think? What did we notice about Gigi?
Under you.
Yes, look under you.
Look everywhere.
Okay. Gigi, what did we learn?
Look everywhere.
You're amazing.
And
No, what
no
else?
more filefish.
You're a good fisherman because you want to graduate up, don't you?
I also felt bad.
Yeah. I liked how it was swimming away, and I thought, oh, this is going to be a good shot. And then what did it do?
It just it went like it turned, like it was like.
It gave you the broadest side possible.
Yeah, it did, and I was kind of like, well, leave, you know. I was on his side, like, leave fish, you know. What are you doing? But then I don't know. I just got it.
Okay.
I felt bad, but
Yeah, anyway, we're going to try and graduate to
snapper.
bigger fish. Yeah. All right. Okay. Well, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
people.
Thank you.
Oh, this is great. Why would we go out to a restaurant, people, when we can eat at home and have this? Good night.